Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can change your currency on MoonPay app. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Firstly, open the MoonPay app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Now on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a settings button. Tap on that button. Now on the second option, you'll see default currency which is already set to euro. Tap on that option and in the drop down list, you'll see the names of the currencies that are available. Here I'm going to select USD while you need to select your preferred currency from the drop down list. After you tap on your preferred currency, your overall currency will be changed like how mine has been changed to USD. You can now buy and sell Bitcoin and other cryptos accordingly. So it is that easy, and if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.